Emerald, what are you doing?
Oh my
Oh my god.
There are a lot of triggers and gadgets.
Okay, anyways. Hey everybody, this is before the Infinite IKEA video that is about to happen with Hyper and Emma. Some stuff goes on with those two. And also
I'm sad.
Yeetity's back. Are you sad that we didn't include you in the video?
Yeah, and I have a header. I have a headache.
I hope that gets better.
I think I'm dying.
You're not dying, not just yet. Not without my say-so. Anyways. And also, now, we got another person named Emerald. Emerald, say hi to the camera. So, anyways, you might be wondering, what am I doing here before the entire episode? The entire Infinite IKEA episode. Well, I just want to say, we hit 11 subs. Thank you so much for all the subscribers, and thank you for all the support. It's really great to know that people actually enjoy my content. Like it's nice to see people really actually dig it. I thought nobody was like into it, so I didn't really try that hard. So anyways, it's great to know that people love it. So anyways, EDD, what do you got to say about me hitting 11 subscribers?
You're only one subscriber away from overtaking me.
Let's overtake him. Hyper, what do you got to say about me hitting 11 subscribers?
That's really cool, because after your video that you made, you only had 3, right? Before.
Yeah, I only had 3. I only had 3.
And then like 1 week you reached 11.
Yo, that is amazing.
You're gonna have 1,000 someday.
I hope someday. I hope someday we become popular and basically beat Corpse and all those people. And Emerald's gone.
We're just gonna be like the people of New York.
Yo, we're gonna be like we're gonna be more popular than PewDiePie someday. Hopefully, that's the hope. But oh yeah, Emerald, what do you got to say about me hitting 11 subscribers?
I'm very honestly proud. I remember the time I hit 11, and I was doing the same thing you were.
Thank you. So anyways, 11 subscribers, that's amazing.
I've stayed 12 subscribers for like 3 months. This is not my original outfit. Let me put on my original outfit.
Oh, yeah. You wanna put on the... Oh yes, there's the traditional pink skeleton. Oh yeah, that shows up in the thumbnail. That shows... Hyper, tell me what you think about the thumbnail.
Alright.
Because it's got you and Emma in it. Also, it's got me and Levi in the background.
I hope Emma doesn't watch it.
Emma's probably gonna tell Emma to watch it. I wanna see that.
No, I'm not telling Emma to watch it.
Tell Emma to watch it! That's beautiful.
I don't even know she...
So anyways, we hit 11 subs, and that's amazing. So, anyways. Oh right, I'm the creator, so none of you guys can touch me! Hey, whoever touches me gets a bottle of root beer. I feel so...
Too bad I have food. I have chocolate, frosted donuts, and cheese pieces.
Yo, you got chocolate? Okay. So anyways, I hope you enjoy. Oh, he touched me. He gets the root beer. Yo, let's get him. No. What was that?
They're great.
I've got 2. How many times am I gonna get one?
So anyways, that's it for the intro. Hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, I have stacks on stacks of videos to edit, so I hope you enjoy the IKEA one. And also, after this one's film, after the intro's film, we're going to do a real adventure. So, the videos that are going to be recently put out are not going to be in order, like from dates. So, anyways, like the Rendezvous one, which I accidentally keep mispronouncing in the video, was after the entire IKEA. After the entire IKEA thing. So, when you're watching the video, be sure to watch out for Hyper and Emma and stuff. And we come up with a really stingy plan for Jesus and water. I hope you enjoy it all. It's going to be a really great episode. In fact, one of the best. One of my best. So, anyways, I hope you guys give it a like and comment and enjoy it. So, anyways, I'm gonna sign off to the intro. Edie, got anything to say to the viewers before they watch the video?
No.
Dang, sad. Hyper.
Enjoy embarrassment a lot.
Oh yeah, Hyper's going to be embarrassed in the video. Like, so be sure to watch out for him and Emma. It's going to be really interesting.
That sounds fun. I'll keep a lookout.
Yeah.
Subscribe to me.
So, anyways, enjoy the video. Tell me what you think.
Enjoy it. Tell me what you thought about my embarrassment.
Yeah.
Please die laughing.
It's like, yeah. Tell us if you like the entire thing with Hyper and Emma. Cause the entire Hyper and Emma thing did not go according to plan. Like, that was unscripted. Like, there actually is no script, so. Enjoy Hyper and Emma's embarrassment. We got Yedidi back and we got Emerald. Just waves. So, since we got Yedidi back, we're going to film a real adventure, so. Enjoy. So, enjoy the IKEA video. Sending you off to past me. Bye.
I have a base set up. If you want to come, decently, should be safe.
Did it turn night after I left? Like, how many nights has it been since I left?
I think one. In here.
This is the start.
Yeah. Yeah. There's like $1 million problems.
Why does nobody accept my request to get invited?
I don't know. Hi, Ralph. Can I come, like, help us? There should be Let's come on, Jesus, guys. Let's go, Jesus.
Nice base you got here.
No, for real, it's horrible. It's a lot better than what they are. Jesus, get out. And okay, I'm gonna go check on them. Do you wanna come?
Yeah, I'll come.
Well, guys, check your base. Oh, Jesus. Is he gone? Oh, Jesus. Who the fuck is this? Levi? I died. First life. You two suck at this.
Did he just say we suck?
Yep. I lost my first life, though. It is like you doing. What's up, Leon? Good. Okay. Zone.
Y'all are mean.
Yeah. Games on your phone.
Emma, come here. Emma, come here. I want you to go. I want you like a base.
Stop throwing waffles at me.
Best pickup line I have. Hey, you got games info?
No. I got one. I gotta pick up.
Behind you.
I have to say Jesus again. You know, Jesus, this is...
Get in.
Jesus, this should really be the other way around. You should be saving me from, like, my sins and stuff. I shouldn't be saving you.
Yeah, but this is not a sin. They're trying to kill you. So you defend yourself. I'm not
They're also trying to kill you.
Jesus.
He's Jesus.
What the fuck? What do you think it is? Man, I'm gonna make you get up a human soak to death. Okay?
On you!
Behind you.
I need a health potion.
They won't know that. Too bad. There's no right there.
You trying to kill Jesus?
Hold on.
You're trying to kill Jesus.
I lost my last life.
You're Jesus.
You can
Oh,
stay
I'm
in
so
this.
shiny.
Levi, come up here.
We're playing for fun at this point now.
Yeah, at this point we're just
like-
playing for fun. It's gonna be a I spent 100 days in.
Guys, shoot a comedy. Watch, bro. Watch. Comedy.
Alright, guys.
Watch me, bro. Watch Jesus, bro. Watch Jesus. Where you? Okay. Hello. How you doing? Man, why you so angry? Bro, get your big ass teeth out your face. Bro.
Yo,
We go, guys. Man, thank you the most.
I thought your name was Jesus, not Jesus.
Same thing. How you doing?
What if his name was Jesus all along and we were just pronouncing it wrong?
Yeah, it is. Jesus.
Hey, Jesus and Jesus are basically the same thing, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, I love the IKEA theme song, bro. It's a bop. Who needs feels? I need a lot of
Working the next day.
Oh, that tastes like a chug
I need one too. I need one too.
Okay,
And that's
so
mine.
I need some latte.
anyways, where's the key?
I swallowed it.
Where's
It's
the
like
key?
right here.
Oh, I found the key somewhere. Follow me.
Hey, hold on, guys. Start the timer again. Okay.
Like,
Okay.
I swallowed it.
Where are you?
It's like.
Wait, where are you?
I found the key somewhere over here. It was like white. It was
Bro,
color
bro,
white.
bro,
Yeah,
bro,
we
I
need
swallowed
the
them. I'm telling you guys. Guys, me for real. Guys, believe me for real. I actually swallowed them. I'm not lying.
Dang, bro.
Like, I'm not lying.
Where is it? I think it's more
bro,
farther.
I thought it was white chocolate, bro. I swear, I thought it was white chocolate for some reason.
It's
Yeah.
white.
Yo, instead of Jesus saves, it's Jesus slays.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Oh, it's right here.
Where? Oh, I pooped it out.
Jesus, give us the key. Give us the key. Give us the key, Jesus.
No.
Jesus,
No.
give us the
No.
key.
Jesus.
No.
Jesus.
No.
Jesus. Pendejo.
I like the key. White chocolate. Yeah, yum 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 yum. White chocolate.
Bro.
You can't touch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Run as fast as you can. You can't get me. I'm Jesus. Don't ball kick me. I'm just playing around. No. I can't.
Decapitate him.
Okay, go
Hyper had to
ahead.
go.
Yeah, you have to go?
Yeah, it's getting late even for him.
Chocolate back.
Order, make sure you can get the key
That's
from.
not
I'm gonna
right.
try and
That's
find
not
Hyper while
right.
he's still here. Hyper? Hyper, where are you? Where are you, Hype? Hype.
Where are you guys? I found you.
Wait, where's Hyper? I'm trying to find him
I don't know.
before he goes.
I was doing some extra repairs on some places, making it here.
Hyper? Hyper? Hyper, where are you? Hyper? God, why does IKEA have to be so big?
Over here.
Marco!
Where'd him?
Marco! This is the part where you say polo.
I heard him back there. Pretty sure.
Hype! Where are you?
Hyper. I hear him. There's Levi. Polo.
Where's Hyper?
Marco. Polo. Did you have to go?
Oh, where's Hyper?
Did you have to go?
What?
Wait a second.
I hear him over here.
Then as well.
There they are.
We've been in here. No, guys, look here. We've been in here. Look, in here.
Bruh. Hey, yo, what you been doing in here?
Hey, yo, yeah, what are you guys doing in here? Hey, you got any kiss marks on the wall? No, okay,
Wait,
coast is clear.
Wait a second, why kiss marks on the wall?
Oh,
Get back inside. Everyone get out. Everyone get out of here.
Who wants to cuddle with Jesus, y'all?
Wait a second, you guys, where's Levi? Where's Levi?
You got games on your glasses.
Levi, you might want to hide.
You got me.
Oh my god.
I'm on top of something. I should be. But you got games.
behind you.
I'm eating. I'm eating. Someone just dies. Well, no, didn't. Sherlock.
I need Jesus.
Yo, he said he knew Jesus.
I will cuddle you until you're in.
How many days are we at? Leon, how many days are we at?
This is day 16. After this night, it's
So many
16.
days to go.
You guys want to do 50 instead of 100?
Yes, please.
Yeah, it's going to be 50 days instead of 100. You guys better be there when I send out the video.
You can't get in. Never mind, you can't get in. One hop this time.
Yeah, you guys better be there when the video comes out.
Tastes like dark chocolate.
Levi, where are you? Levi, I got both your swords.
Save my chocolate! Save my chocolate! Save my chocolate! Where did you die anyways? I had no idea where you died. Where did you die? Guys.
Water, no!
White chocolate! I secured white chocolate. White chocolate, no.
Okay, give me the key. Give me the key.
No. It's called white chocolate. Plus, no, I'm eating it. That tastes like white chocolate thing. You fatty, bro. I'm a fatty?
No!
It seems like this is working.
Save my swords. Save my swords.
White chocolate. Oh, man, that tastes like
Thanks, dude.
that tastes like metal white chocolate. That tastes.
See anything?
Yo, some of them are trapped in here.
Guys! Where are we? Try to find us.
I'm right below you.
Oh, you're down there.
Like I got the emo hair with the flipping.
That probably ain't good.
Straight.
Hi.
Oh.
Down pointing
Hi.
eyes with the bucket.
Yeah, this got turned into 50 days instead of 100.
Why?
We do not have the time for 100.
My guy got the watch. My guy got the ADHDs. My guy got the optimated glasses. My guy got the number 26. And my brother got the thumbs up. The thumbs up. And guess what, guys? My guy got pants.
Yo, she making the bean.
What? I'm stuck. White chocolate? Okay, white chocolate.
Yo, she making the bean.
White chocolate. White chocolate for the win. Suck this white chocolate. Suck this white chocolate. Suck it.
Oh, what are you guys doing in there?
Nothing. Suck the white chocolate.
Give me the key.
Nope. It's white chocolate, first of all.
Okay.
Do you not see it's white? And what's your favorite food? Chocolate. I know you.
My favorite food is pizza.
Which one?
Chocolate pizza.
Do I have to choose?
Guys, everyone find your own coping things. Like this. Do this.
Find your own
Okay.
cookies.
I already have one.
It's daytime.
No, this one's mine. These are my beds, okay? These
Man,
are my
I've
beds.
not
Okay?
seen sunlight in 2 years.
No,
Come
in
here,
here,
little
in here.
box. Cuddle with white chocolate and
This is
suck
Emma's.
it. Yes, sir.
Oh crap, I'm alive.
Emma left. She could have sucked the white chocolate enough.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah, maybe.
That might be a possibility. It might, not totally, but it might.
The white chocolate. How secure is everything in here?
What my bio? My bio is literally 3 years old. Or 2 years, forgot.
Wait, did Emma say she had to
Yeah, that's an old bio. What's the name of it?
What?
go? Guys, can you guys keep your swords?
No, I'm keeping white chocolate at all times.
Seriously, guys,
I
keep
don't
your
only want-
keep your swords. I don't feel like
No.
saving you 24/7.
Well, you gotta save me, so like, nah. White chocolate. Ooh, white chocolate. Hey, man, you like the white chocolate? If you
Yeah,
like the
Emma's
white
coming
chocolate,
back.
suck it now.
Let me see.
That was
Yeah,
good,
wait,
right?
Now
Let me see
listen
it, let me
here,
see it.
listen here, Jesus, Johnny
See it,
You're
Sins,
seeing
whatever
it.
your name
You're
is.
seeing it. You're seeing
No,
it.
it's
You're
not
seeing
good
it.
if I'm not grabbing it. Look at this.
There you go.
Drop it. Drop it. Let me see it. I want to get
Can I
Oh,
give
crap.
you?
I'm stuck.
Fuck,
Goodness.
bro. I might give you the best gift of all time. Pure Jesus spit. Who wants it?
Hey, Jesus, weren't you in love with that prostitute? Or something?
Bro, do you want spit by Jesus? Look.
Yo, I want Beats
Look,
by
Levi.
I want Beats by
No,
Jesus.
Levi. Leave me alone. Levi.
Let me get some of that, Jesus. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. Here.
I want
Let me get
Beats
some
by
of it.
Jesus.
No, I don't trust you, bro.
Bro! My friend don't even trust me. He doesn't trust me.
Oh, yeah, I just say Jesus spit.
Water, get away. Water, get away. I don't trust you. I think you're gonna take it. You're
Now,
gonna
let's
take it.
let's
Get
fortify this.
back. Get back. Let me see it. Pass it over. Water,
That's
get back.
exactly what I've been
Get
doing,
back.
and I'm building crossways.
Nice. Oh,
No, for real. Jesus,
Somebody
gives me
else.
something to do. This is my life now. Just constant. Imagine if we could fly the entire time. That would suck.
You should do a hardcore one of these eventually.
Oh, like a survival thing?
Nah. Would make them more serious. Actual survival.
Actually, Minecraft. Yo, guys, welcome back.
Welcome back to another Rec Room video. Today, we're gonna be doing 100 just in a hardcore.
Yo, if I do another survival hunt, if I try to do another survive days, will you join me?
Yeah,
Nice.
I like slaying stuff.
Y'all better be there when I release this video. No! Holy crap. Yo, I got more beds.
Take it. Wait. Here. You want this? Hey, you want this so bad? Come here.
You guys broke the
You want this so bad?
fortifications? You guys are dead. Emma.
Look,
Fortify
hey,
that.
you want this?
Alright,
Go
yeah.
get it. I got it.
Oh crap.
I
No!
got it.
Water! What are you doing? Water!
Water!
Out!
No!
Water, stop, please! Water, please! Water, please!
Watch out, Neil!
Yo, I'm skilled with the sword. I told you this once.
White chocolate!
I told you this once. I'll tell you
Sorry.
again.
Get in! Fortify the doors so they can't get in. No! Let's go. White chocolate's back! Yeah.
No.
So you guys come here often?
Damn. I come here every day, bro. It sucks
Y'all-
as white
Yeah,
Y'all
I'm
get-
here every day.
Y'all get stuck in IKEA? Oh, wait a second.
Yeah.
I
Y'all get
get,
stuck in-
I get,
No,
stuck, bro, I get,
imagine you're doing
no.
no.
This is my job. I get stuck in IKEA.
Bro,
That's not my job. I'm gonna definitely like stream it or something.
Yeah, imagine if I. Yeah, I'm probably gonna figure out a way to stream, like
White chocolate.
live stream,
White chocolate.
and then basically
Are you on PlayStation or VR?
I'm on VR.
PC. That's what I meant.
No,
White chocolate. No, white chocolate.
you lost your white chocolate privilege.
Give up white chocolate, please. Oh, my white chocolate. Ow. Oh, white
Promise not to be annoying with it. Oh crap!
Hey.
Not much action anymore.
I think this is gonna be the death
Piper, you're going to be the death of me.
I thought all of us should be the death of each other. Nope.
Specifically
Don't you
Hyper.
ever say that again, I swear I'm gonna kill you.
Specifically Hyper. I let him talk me into stuff way too much.
Help.
I let Hyper talk me into doing stuff way too much.
Man, I'm getting low. That's not.
Did you die again?
No.
Thank you for not saying it.
I resurrected.
Hey, thank you for not.
Wait. Hyper.
Mad respect for
Wait,
Jesus.
Hyper.
Mad
Is
respect
it
for
true though? Hyper, is it true?
What is what true?
Emma.
What?
Text me.
Why?
Text me.
You're
Here,
mad at me.
No!
Come here. Text me. Text me.
Save my swords.
No, I will.
I'll save your swords. Hyper. Here you go.
Hey, did you save my sword?
Yeah, I saved this sword. No problem. And here is the key. I don't know what it's used for.
No, you can take it out.
Come over here.
I will do it right now. I will
Oh,
do it right
did
now.
you see that? Yeah.
Emma!
Yeah.
I mean, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Where? Okay, Emma said that. Never mind.
Jesus, behind you!
I knew that.
You know, I killed him right when.
Oh,
Okay,
Emma. Okay, Emma's right there.
okay.
I didn't see that. Where's Hyper? Hyper, bro. Hyper. White chocolate. Where is it? White chocolate. Hyper. Where is Hyper, bro? Where is Hyper, bro?
Oh.
He went somewhere. We're on day 17. Yeah, we decided to switch it to 50 days instead of 100. We decided to cut in half.
17. We're only on 17.
Oh.
We're at 17.
Yeah, we're on 17.
Where's Hyper at? Where's Hyper? Where's Hyper?
This is taking so long.
I'm gonna go psycho.
I know. Neon, if you do other one of these, I'm gonna be on for like a week and a half this Monday.
Okay.
I don't know, cause what?
I'm gonna have so much fun editing this tomorrow.
Where's Hyper, bro?
If I get any sleep at all.
Hyper, bro. I smell your toes, bro. Sleep at all tonight.
Yeah, doing this at night was a terrible choice.
And then me que puedo hacer?
Remind me never to do 100-day things at
Hyper.
night.
Hyper, bro.
Like afternoon, and then it would just go all the way to like 6 hours.
Yo, do you think it will count if we sleep in here?
I mean, technically, yes. If we fall asleep, we can just go.
Yeah, bro, what if you just fell asleep right here? You do those 100
Falls
days
asleep
in
like this.
Yo, 100 days. Easy. Easy.
falls asleep.
Yo, technically I did spend
Welcome back to
100
another
days.
100. And hey guys, welcome back to another.
Technically, it would count. Right? It would count, right?
I don't think so. We'll just have to cut out all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the video is going to be shorter than what it actually took.
Wait, what's your YouTube?
My YouTube is neon purple. Since we basically have the time, are you actually asleep?
Rise and shine, sunshine.
Rise and shine, sleepyhead.
I have to sleep on my couch, and it's.
Hey, at least you get a couch.
Never mind.
Okay, so
I'll
since
probably get a room.
we have the time, if you want to look at my YouTube channel, the most likely thing you're gonna find it on is Sandy Circus. Hold on. Okay,
What?
I'll let you get your phone.
I will.
Where's my phone at? Let me.
Yo,
close
yo,
up
better
this
look at the video once it
adult
gets...
tabs.
And I'll write it.
So here's my plan for tomorrow.
Where's
My
it?
plan is sleep for all the hours I lost.
Let's go
I can
find
get your
everyone.
video instantly demonetized.
Yeah, I swear, if this video gets demonetized for anything, I'm going to cry.
Okay. I'll try and be
I'm gonna
as
cry
real
myself to
as I
sleep.
can. So, on purple. Most of the time, when somebody knows me for an hour, I'd start to
Dude, you were literally all like screaming.
and just be as weird as possible. I say yes, but I'll be normal.
Yeah.
It's gonna get Jesus.
Hey yo, what were y'all doing?
It's
What were y'all doing in
It's
that
gonna
room?
be Jesus' fault.
Hey yo,
Yeah.
what?
Because we were threatening to sacrifice.
Me and Hyper are talking about,
Oh yeah, what were
what
you?
games,
We're
yeah.
getting married.
What?
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 You
So,
guys would make a lovely couple. We'll have a giant wedding.
Wait, what? Oop,
We just built a wedding place now.
a wedding for Jesus in water.
Oh, we're dead.
Yo, Jesus in water. I ship it. I ship Jesus in water.
Okay, on the next day, we need to find a way to get a ring.
Oh yes. Jesus in no, Jesus in water. Jesus in water need to get married.
Yep, Jesus, you're getting married with
Wait,
water.
hold on.
You don't have a say anymore.
Yeah, you don't have a say in this.
I died.
Jesus and water are getting married, and that's final. Jesus and water don't have a say in this.
Wait. Oh God.
Yo,
I just thought of something.
hey, water,
You
water,
wanna-
water, water, come here.
Jesus, where did you get all that white-
Hyper.
Oh my god.
Hey. Hey, Jesus. If
Where did you just go? That scared me.
Hey, Neon.
Yeah.
Hey, so if you know Jesus, right? So
Yeah.
if his body is bread and his blood is wine, then
What's
what
this
is
tub of
mayonnaise?
mayo? And what's this tub of mayo?
What is mayonnaise on Jesus? then?
Hyper, bro. Hyper, where
That's
you
one
at,
other thing.
bud? Hyper, where you at?
I feel like I shouldn't know what that is at my
You
age.
probably shouldn't.
Not too bad.
I know a lot of things.
So-
I know about the.
Ow.
So we came in basically trying to
22,
survive like 50 days or so,
619.
and
Yeah.
now we're
Now
gonna
we're-
host the wedding tomorrow.
Yep, and I just set a
Yo,
sauce code.
what?
222.
Yeah, we're hosting
619.
Back it up.
yeah, we're
Well, if
hosting
you
a
wanna
wedding
use
for
that-
Water and Jesus. They were guarding each other at the beginning.
Okay, you know what? I feel like they were doing something in that cubby because he came out like that, you know. So I think I know where he gets his white chocolate now.
Oh God.
And I think I know where he gets his milk chocolate now too.
I don't know if I have to cut this out of the video.
Or
Yo.
just bleep out everything I just said.
Okay. Or PG-13. Not rated
Huh?
R. Actually, let's make the video
This is
rated
a
R.
kid-friendly video. Welcome back to Giving Blow.
Yes.
Yeah, 90% of this is going to be cut out due to time. This is going to be like a 50-minute long video.
Oh, and let's see, we got me, Jesus, a whole bunch of other things of us just
I'm going to put it in
being
the
as
important
super
parts, like this conversation. This conversation's going in.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna, if you want it to be child friendly, you're gonna have to bleep out almost everything I just said, especially those sauce codes. Or in
Don't worry.
hentai/g/ and then the code and talk.
Don't worry, I'm not a very popular YouTuber.
You could also
okay,
go
look
to
at
Anime TV and watch like video of a killer and a whole bunch of other stuff.
That's bad. That's a naughty word.
You said a naughty word. No.
Okay, what about porn? So somebody said I should watch Prawn Hub. I don't know what that is, but porn.
Hey,
Bro.
hey.
Hey,
That's a naughty
no.
word.
Bad.
Okay, so somebody said I should watch FNAF
Leave
Prawn.
that out of
I
the
don't know what
video.
that is, but honestly, I prefer FNAF porn.
Hey, stop saying it. Stop saying it.
Come on, let me kill this boy.
My name is God Park. I come from.
My name is Jamar.
No,
I come from
I
afar.
come from afar. Okay, guys, we need to build the wedding. Grab the
Yes,
beds.
build
Just
the wedding.
steal the
Wait,
beds.
we need to build the wedding.
no.
Also,
I was
while you go build that, I'm gonna go
kidding.
find Hyper wherever he is.
Okay, hold
Hyper.
on, this wedding.
there's something happened.
I don't know.
There-
He texted me something and he hasn't spoken to me since.
What?
We need to go find Hyper. Levi, have you seen Hyper?
Yeah. The last time I heard them, their voices were over there, and I heard moan.
Ooh,
I'm sorry,
doing
what
some
now?
naughty stuff.
They're doing some naughty stuff. Yeah, we gotta build the wedding.
Yeah,
You build the wedding.
They're doing naughty stuff.
Come on,
It's like,
let me
you
build
know?
the wedding.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, where are you? Hyper. Hyper. I hope somebody makes a map of this. Like, just... If anybody makes a map of this, send me the link.
Okay.
Hype. Yo, Hype.
Hey!
Hyper.
Yeah.
You were going to talk to
Look
me
about-
about something.
Huh? I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Oh, no, I wasn't.
Hey. You sent me a
I see
notification.
someone. That. I see someone
No,
over
no,
there.
no.
Oh. Oh, right. Never mind.
That's why I've been hiding. That's why I've been hiding. That's all.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So yeah, please don't give away my location.
Okay. I'll cut it out of the
Yeah,
video.
me and Hammer gonna go talk and
Huh?
just, yeah.
Yeah,
I'll-
because
I'll-
that would be it too.
Yeah.
Actually,
I'll cut it.
oh, you can keep it. You can keep it if you want to.
She's going to watch the video.
True.
Oh.
Hey, but be good for the video. It could be some content for the video.
No.
You can cut that part out. But it could be some content.
Yo, Water. Jesus, come with us. Come with me. Oh, wait. Stay here.
No.
Stay here. Stay here.
I'm saying his. I'm giving him company.
Okay.
I'm giving him company.
You two
You go.
stay with Hyper. You two stay with Hyper.
Okay. 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 Okay.
He's gonna bring her.
Okay, bro.
He's gonna bring
Relax.
her.
Calm down. Take 900 million